Hi guys, I'm back. Thank you for supporting this channel in Near Protocol Philippines. At tayo ngayon ay nagbabalik from Learn and Earn Near. And ang topic natin ay, syempre, hindi pa rin nababago, what is Near Protocol. Pero kung kayo ay napanood nyo na ang aming previous video, makikita nyo na tayo ngayon ay nasa chapter 5 na, which is how Near Blockchain works. So, bago tayo mag-start, sana muna mga hindi pa nakakapanood at hindi pa alam ang mga previous chapters natin sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood, lalo na panoorin nyo rin ang Near Academy. Yan, pwede nyo visit ang aming YouTube channel, which is Near Protocol Philippines. Also, you can follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook rin. Yan. May ilalagay ko ang aming socials in the description below. Yan, para ma-follow nyo din. So, let's start. So, how Near Blockchain works? The technology underpinning cryptocurrency blockchain is a technology that can safely store transaction records on a peer-to-peer network instead of storing them in a single location. Dependent servers around the world, called nodes, make up the network that operates the blockchain. So, blockchain ay isang technology na ligtas tayo nakapag-store ng mga transactions sa peer-to-peer network. Instead, may pasok lang to sa isang single na storage or location. At ito yung mga independent servers na tinatawag nating nodes na ito yung nag-ooperate mismo sa blockchain. So itong diagram na to, ito yung mismong diagram na pinapakita yung mismong diagram, near blockchain diagram na mismong near blockchain. So ito yung nodes, ito yung mga chunks, ito yung mga mismong shard na kung alam nyo man lang yun, maririnig nyo yan yung explanation about sharding sa chapter 2, which is ito. Yan, dito. So, one of the most exciting aspects of blockchain technology is decentralization. So why is decentralization useful? Let's look at it from the perspective of developers and users. In the decentralized world, the developers and mercy of cloud platforms or even the government make sure that they continue to run the apps. In the decentralized world, there are no dominating intermediaries, and in the end user, the transparency of the central application can allow users to see the backend code and know exactly how the apps are going to use your personal information. Dito naman sa bakit mas useful ang blockchain. I mean, bakit mas useful ang decentralization sa developers and end users. Una sa developers dahil walang tagapamamagitan na kinakailangan dito na kahit ang government walang nagko-control sa kanila, while dito sa end users nalalaman nila na paano ginagamit mismo ng mga decentralized application ng kanilang personal information, na kung paano nila nalaman at ligtas ito para sa kanila. Yun. Kaya ito yung kinaganda ng decentralization ng blockchain technology. Yeah. What is the near consensus algorithm? Consensus protocols are used to reach agreement on a single value between multiple participants in a system. If all network participants collaborate in accordance with the consensus protocol, new values may be appended to the ledger and verified by nodes. However, in the case of disputes, the network may focus on either safety or witness. The consensus mechanism implemented or near is called nightshade. Nightshade models the system as a single blockchain. The list of all transactions in each block is split into physical chunks. One chunk per shard. All chunks accumulate to one block. Note that chunks can only be validated by nodes that maintain the state of that shard. Speaking of validation, a key component of the near are the validators. These validators are responsible for maintaining consensus within the protocol. Validators are specialized nodes that need to keep their servers online 100% of the time. while keeping their systems continually updated. Here are a few points that you must keep in mind about network validators. Ito yung unang-una, which is near determines its network validators every new epoch, selecting them based on their stake. Or already elected validators are re-enrolled by automatically restaking their tokens plus the accrued rewards. Potential validators have to have their stake above a dynamically determined level. There are two methods that a validator can use to strengthen their stake: buy the tokens themselves or borrow via stake delegation. The reward you receive is directly proportional to your stake, or your rewards. Yeah. The consensus is based on the heaviest chain consensus, meaning once a block producer publishes a block, they collect the signatures of validator nodes. The weight of block is then cumulative stake of all signers whose signatures are included in the block. The weight of a chain is the sum of block weights. Additionally, the consensus utilizes a finality gadget that introduces additional slashing conditions for higher chain security. Yan. In-explain dito kung paano gumagana ang consensus sa base sa kanyang sa pagkabigat ng chain consensus on each block. Kung paano nagpo-publish ang block doon at paano kinokollect ito ng mga validators sa isang node. So dito may quiz tayo. Express with the weight of block is the maximum stake of signers whose signatures are included in the block. B, the cumulative stake of all signers whose signatures are included in the block. C, the average stake of the entire network divided by the numbers of signers in the block. Letter D, none of the above. Syempre, obviously, itong letter B. C, the accumulated stake of all signers whose signatures are included in the block. Dahil sabi nga, ito yun, yung sinasabi ng mismo. The weight of block is then accumulated as stake of all signers whose signatures are included in the block. Yun. Na kasama lahat ng mga cumulative stake ng lahat ng signers na gumagawa ng signatures sa lahat ng kasamang block. So near runtime layers used to execute smart contracts and other actions created by the users and preserve the state between the executions. It can be described from three different angles, going step by step through various scenarios, describing the components of the runtime and describing the functions that the runtime performs. So, excuse me, they describe ito. Runtime has different angles, step by step sa bawat scenario. Ang pangalawa ay describe nito ang bawat components ng runtime. Excuse me. And describe nito yung function kung paano nagpo-perform mismo yung runtime yun. And before tayo mag-proceed dito, let's review lahat na ito. Medyo nakakalito lang dito mismo sa what is near consensus algorithm. So, kung ulitin natin, sinasabi ang consensus protocols ay ginagamit mismo sa agreement na single values between multiple participants. All network participants collaborate in accordance with the consensus be appended to the region and verified. However, in the case of disputes, the network may focus on safety or lateness. So, meaning, ang consensus protocol ay pag-collab kung lahat ng participants mismo sa isang network ay naipagtulungan sa consensus protocol, pwede itong ma-verified o pumasok mismo sa isang ledger at ma-verify ito mismo ng isang node yun. Tapos ang consensus mechanism na implemented ng NIR is called nightshade. Nightshade models is a system as a single blockchain. The list of all transactions in each block is split into physical chunks. Yan. Kung titingnan nyo dito, ang Nightshade ay so kung isipin natin alin dito yung mismo Nightshade, siguro ito yung mga mismong chunk, yung chunk A0, chunk B0, chunk B1, ayun, and etc. Yan, mga single, mga naka-split on each block na one chunk per shard. Yan. All chunks are accumulated to one block. Note that chunks can only be validated by nodes that maintain the state of shard na ang mga chunks na to ay nababalidate lang ng isang node para ma-maintain lang yung mismo estado ng mismo shard. Di ko ayun, medyo alito talaga yung sa part na yun dahil bago lang rin sa pandemic itong consensus algorithm, but ito yung kinaganda ng learning earlier, which na mismong pinubusog nito yung mismong utak natin. Not only we earn near here, but we also learn. So it's very helpful for me and to those other people na hindi pa naaalam ang mga ganitong klaseng work mismo sa mundo ng cryptocurrency and blockchain. Yeah. Speaking of validation, a key component of the near are validators. Yung mga validators, ito yung mga taong responsible sa pag-maintain ng consensus sa consensus protocol. Yan. Sila yung news na kailangan nilang sila yung nagki-keep mismo sa servers na 100% na sila yung mismo yung nagma-validate. Yan. Validate nila lahat ng mismo mga nodes, kaya importante itong mga network validators na to. Yun lamang, not keeping this too long dahil napakalinaw ko naman na ipaliwanag lahat. Sa tingin ko hindi medyo lahat, kasi on other parts ay mismong napaliwanag na rin mismo o mismong text ito in paragraph yan. I think this is the end of the chapter 5, how near blockchain works, kung paano gumagana near blockchain. The next chapter will be chapter 6, which is here, what is near token, which will be discussed in the next video or in the next episode natin. Kaya sana po stay tuned po kayong lahat. Sana may natutunan po kayo ngayong araw about how near blockchain works. Sana subaybayan nyo pa ang other next chapters natin. Sana i-like nyo to at i-share nyo itong video na to, at syempre mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa aming channel for more information about near protocol and cryptocurrency and especially blockchain technology. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.